Hi everyone! In this video, I will mute all the original voice as you might see the warning at the top. Everything stays in the app, not for recording or sharing. This video is only for helping people who want to join in Clubhouse. Clubhouse is an app only for iOS users. It's a platform like radio or podcast, but instead of listening to someone talking, you can actually participate in the conversation. And there are big chances that you can meet and talk to some famous people. I'm obsessed with it because there are many great topics I'm interested in. Then you can hear the sharing of those successful people, much like a free seminar. No matter you are with an iPhone or iPad, it should be the same. You can go to the App Store and download the app for some simple setting, and ask friends around waiting for the invite code. Because I tried to give a code to my friend and I failed. So here are my tips for everyone. No matter which country you are in, after finding a friend with a code, you and the friend get each other's phone number and email of your iPhone or iPad. Add to the contact and make sure you put the correct country code for the mobile phone number. For example, I'm in Australia, so I have to give my Taiwanese friend +61 as my country code. And if I'm adding my Taiwanese friend, I will need to put +886 as Taiwan's country code. After this process, go back to Clubhouse and click invite. Sorry, I have to waste mine so you guys couldn't see the process. Basically, just choose a friend who you wanted to give an invite code to, and it will pop up a text message. Make sure you have the correct phone number. If not, just change in the text message. Stay there, do not go out. You will lose the code if you are out of the app. Once your friend gets the text message, they can start set everything up and enjoy. Maximum number of people in a room is 5,000 people. Party popper emoji. If you see this party popper emoji on someone, this means this person is new to the Clubhouse, and this icon will stay with the newbie for 7 days. If you want to talk, hands up and wait for the MC to invite you. After you get into the speaking zone, turn off your microphone immediately, or everyone can hear your background noise, and it is quite annoying. Only turn it back on when you want to say something. The person who invited you will always appear on the bottom of your profile. You only have 2 invite codes and 2 times to change your name. Choose your names and friends wisely. If you run out of the precious invite code, there is a myth. The code will grow if you participate often. So try to start talking. Show yourself to the world. Okay, that's all I want to share today. Thanks for watching. I hope you will never fail like me and enjoying the Clubhouse. If you found this video helps, hit the like button and subscribe me. Your subscription means a lot to me. Thank you.
Butterfly.